Well, hello to you from a city that some might say is simply living up to its reputation. Rainy here in Manchester. We're at the Etihad Stadium. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. Stuart, what are you expecting?
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
Very quick thinking there. And here's the Manchester City lineup. Ederson between the posts. Joao Cancelo starts with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Bernardo Silva plays with Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And rather than use a strike partnership, they've gone with just the one player in attack. Well, can they be creative from here? And it all counts for naught. De Bruyne takes on the shot. Oh, did so well to deny him. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. Well, nothing wrong with the header, but it was always going that little bit off target. Well, we have to say, Stuart, respect and admiration grows for Kevin De Bruyne with each passing year. So many attributes. What are you looking for from him in this game?
Oh, can he finish it, Derek?
And the keeper diving to thwart him. Who can he pick out? That's a routine take. Well, goalkeeper mistake. Will there be a price to pay? Well, he couldn't quite hit the target, Stuart.
Well, it's a decent effort, but I don't think it was ever going to trouble the goalkeeper.
And players waiting in the centre. Oh, he looks threatening. They could nudge in front. Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out?
Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, the danger is still there. Threat over for now, it seems. Defensive efficiency personified. Alas, he's made his move too early. Offside. Foden. Able to skip past his man. Superb block. Is it going to be? And Kevin De Bruyne with the goal. And what a boost that will be for his side.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. City did well to win it back. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Chance here! And another one! Two quick goals! Will it turn out to be the two-punch knockout? Well, a second goal for them here. Routine, really. Oh, left his man behind here. He's got the right idea with that pass. He's in position. And oh, it's in! We cannot declare this contest over. They still believe. And the ball is moving again. Anyone's guess how this is going to finish. 2-1 currently. Can he put it away? Oh, it's in! A two-goal cushion now. And the lead fully merited. So on with the action, and 3-1 the scoreline at the moment. Fluency of movement. Well, not every keeper would have been that brave.
Well, he read it brilliantly, didn't he? Top stuff from the keeper.
Oh, what an opportunity. Oh, yes! It's gone in! And now a chance for them to revel in the moment. Well, back underway, and a glut of goals here. 3-2. A real opening now. No hiding from the fact that they really should have extended their lead.
Well, that was a poor miss. Could they come to regret that?
Nakamura. It's a good-looking ball in behind. Well, disappointing end to the move. And as a defender, you really have to concentrate to the maximum to bar the door, as he did then. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Bernardo Silva. Is this the moment? Oh, a smart stop. So the corner played into the box. Well, you can't really head them any better than that. But the goalkeeper was up to the task. Oh, another corner kick conceded. Oh, splendid header, but a fine save. And he clears the danger. An awful lot of green space to run into. And the referee has pointed to the spot. He's given the penalty. And now, let's see if they can level it up. And on the back of that decision, now it's a caution.
Well, it's a tight call, but in the end, I think he's got it right. A penalty and a yellow card.